Hi Innibos, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I'm Ennibo Ville. And today it's a different type of video because I'm going to do one of the most requested video by Innibos. Do you have any guess what is it? For the very first time, I'm going to do a slime. Yes, it will be my first time, but I hope it will be a good one. And I hope you will like it. Without further ado, let's get started. For the first trial, I used clear glue. I got this procedure from YouTube and I thought I would try this one. Then I added the activator. I used SM bonus liquid detergent for the first attempt to make a slime. Then I mixed them thoroughly. I added more liquid detergent because I thought it needed more. Then I mixed again. Then I added more and more and more, but nothing happened. This time, I've already thought that it's a fail and I wasted money, time, and energy on this. I tried to save it by adding diluted detergent powder. It solidified at first and it looked like a slime, but it is not the consistency that we want. Pati sa slime, kailangan natin ng consistency. Hindi lang sa love. If you can observe, it breaks whenever I try to lift it. We want a slime that really sticks and does not break easily from pulling. Yung hindi basta-bastang madaling mag-give up. Dun tayo. But we Innibos are not quitters. So I tried the second procedure. For this one, we're going to need dishwashing liquid. We're going to need salt also, which will act as the activator. First, I poured the washing liquid into a container and I slowly added few salt until it became a little thicker. I put it inside the refrigerator to cool it for 1 hour, and when I checked it, nothing happened. Of course, it became cold after, but aside from it, there's no significant change. It's not sticky and it's definitely not a slime. Again, I saw this step from YouTube also, and I really would like to try. It's a big fail. I don't know about other slimer, but for me, it did not work. Comment down below if it worked for you, Innibos. By this time, I'm so exhausted from going to the supermarket and buying ingredients. I felt so disappointed, but I'm not giving up, so I will attempt for the last time.
For the last trial, I used 130 grams of glue, 210 grams of shaving foam, and Ariel gel as activator. First, I poured the glue into the mixing bowl. I made sure to shake the shaving foam bottle well. Mix them again. The food dye. My favorite color is blue, so I chose this color. Now I'm just trying to make a heart shape out of it. Then I mix them again. While mixing, I slowly added few amounts of Ariel gel. Again, only a few amount of the gel. I started with a small amount so that I can still adjust the consistency of the slime later. I observed that the more I added gel, the more that the solution became stickier or more viscous. Always remember, Innibos, slowly but surely. Oh my goodness, I was so happy and excited as the mixture became more viscous until it became a one whole mass. Finally, all my effort had paid off.
So this is the final product, and I just put it inside a container so that it will not solidify, because we want to maintain the moist of the slime, because we want to prolong the life of our slime. We don't want to waste the money, the time, and energy we spent for our slime. It is so much fun. For me, I love the consistency of my slime. It's because, as you can observe, it's sticking on my hands right now. But after playing it, after I really clean it well, it goes together as a whole. Can you see that? It goes together. You can just clean the other hand. And by the way, if you don't like the consistency like this, you can add more activator yellow gel if you want. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. What else? Comment down below if you're new to my channel. Then if you want, you can suggest what other ingredients I would do. So far, I can say that this is the most effective ingredients for making slime. So see you next time. I will let try. Feels like a dough.